A few days ago, we canoed our way from the resort town of Harrison Hot Springs to the outlet of the Harrison River.
Yeah, there's the, this is all new to us. We've never been down here before. We're exploring new lands.
Being avid anglers as well as amateur naturalists, we took our time to see what sort of aquatic creatures we could find with the GoPro.
Sturgeon right there in the water.
But what gradually appeared out of the murk exceeded our wildest expectations. Anyways, delighted by our unexpected finds, we continued our way down to Kilby.